If you can't find the post that you reposted on Threads, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your reposts on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to get started, I'll first repost a post. So I'll repost this post from Threads, and you can simply do that by just tapping on this icon and then tap on repost only. When you see a check mark next to this repost icon, then you'll know that you have this post reposted on your account. However, if you go to your account wall by tapping on profile here, you realize that your current post that you reposted is not appearing. As you can see, I only have a post that I posted 29 minutes ago. However, the one that I've just reposted does not appear on my account. This is because the reposts don't appear under your threads, but they will appear under your reposts. So go to your reposts, and here you should be able to see all your previous reposts. However, my latest repost is still not appearing here. In case you can't see your latest repost, then just refresh your page by just long pressing and pushing it down like that. And by refreshing this page, now you should see the current or the latest post that you reposted here. So that's how you can find your reposts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.